confusion.
Yes, he said, and I quote, I would die on top of your matter, cause your libi laba laba in lebe in zebe in gabam baba in tebe. Where in tebe means fake.
Fake.
Yes.
Oh, Entebbe means fake.
Yes.
Okay.
Someone has do Entebbe Bridge.
Someone has done Entebbe Bridge.
Yes.
Where?
In a country that they have, you see, they have oversight.
Oversight.
Yes, Amena. So they have put a wooden Entebbe bridge
over it.
Yes, and this articulator car, timber car, was passing through that. They have passed through.
So they've been using the bridge for a long time.
But this one, when it was passing through, the bridge clippers, like as a clipping the nicer, and this my wooden car.
What is wooden car?
A car, you know. Okana make one seem to say.
Is it a truck or
the truck? The truck do hanging like a bonimu. So instead of the truck too, it was passing. But when the truck see that the bridge is coming down, it was doing fast speed,
so that it could actually go through it. It could actually pass and get to the other side.
Yes. When it was doing fast speed, the bridge said that. Oh boy.
So this bus, or should I say this truck, apparently got on answer bridge, no, a bridge I can't fast with that.
Yes,
but unfortunately this time not bridge nibu.
Yes,
and a truck driver and said no, I do it. I said fast, and I bridge is boy. Look at this one.
Today you fall down.
How did they even end up constructing a wooden bridge?
Yes, so that place is a woodry. Like they cut woods and everything there.
Okay, so they
have used the same wood to do bridge.
Oh wow!
Even the air at that place, they have used wood.
Oh wow! Ouch, mine! Whoa! I'm sure driver and because I can't get my transport my carry.
So he has reached I said that.
My friend Diaz is Fast and Furious. But you see, for me, if I see a crack and I see I didn't need boy damn for so that I would just it's better that way. Now look at the damage. I mean, you have to now you now have to get all these things off the river.
Yes,
and you have to construct it again. You have to even pull the car out of it again. Oh, that's a lot of work, man. Cyrus the King says, "Hey, ko bibini ayede, bibini." Elijah Kaibo says, "Prof go get problem with Queen Elizabeth. Queen Croy mistake na munjai." Anyway, let's get to bizarre news number 2. But that's not to say that Prof ye mistake or Prof nye mistake.
Mistake.
No, Prof nye mistake that.
Anyway,
yes, Prof.